Hi, welcome to another Ask Me Anything sessions by Vyom. Today we've got Aditya and Kshitij with us, who are the founders of Vyom. My first question is to you, Aditya. You recently launched Vyom IQ, which is part of the larger ecosystem that is fueling autonomous industries. So can you tell me what is it about and what are you building?
Vyom IQ is a cloud robotics platform. It meets multiple needs. The first is just very basic fleet management, command center kind of stuff, where you can monitor your robotic drone UAV fleet real time. You can see where each one of your robotic asset is, what it is doing, any live feed from it. You can also schedule real-time alerts or triggers on that real-time monitoring. The second thing that it does really well is provide a great pipeline for capturing whatever data your robots or drones are capturing. So it provides that no-touch pipeline where the data, for example, sensor data, camera data from the drones is directly coming to your own cloud. Uh, the third need it meets is that of device management. So you can see how your drones are doing, understand their health, and even have analytics around proactive maintenance. And finally, it's a true command center. So it's not just that you can see the drone or robot's data, you can also communicate with it. What that means is that we've enabled teleops, so you can remotely control your robot from miles away, or push OTA updates, over-the-air updates to all of your fleet as well.
That is great. So, Kshitij, can you tell us how is it different from other platforms?
So we have built substantially towards more advanced platform than what is available in the market. The first advantage is that no matter what, your data is safe. For example, even if the internet connection goes off, the robot crashes or something, the buffer is actively maintained both on your hard disk and your RAM. And it is automatically synced whenever your robot comes back again, either the network or it gets powered on, etc. The second is that the robustness of communication. For example, most of these robots today are connected only when they are connected via Wi-Fi or any other form of internet. We have enabled different channels and even hybrid channels. For example, let us say you have one remote or a ground control station which is connected to the internet, usually your mobile app, and your robot is communicating via radio frequency signals to that ground control station. That usually happens in outside world. Your data can flow via RF from your robot to your ground control station and from your ground control station to your cloud. So that connectivity is always maintained if whenever possible. We are also added multiple other communication channels, for example, wired communication, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi is obviously there, and mostly various forms of RF frameworks which are out there in the market. The third part which we have developed is our third-party integrations. So your platform is not just one platform, but can connect to various other platforms out there in the market. For example, if your drone is collecting a lot of photography data, and then it has to be sent to photogrammetric service provider, which will do more analytics on this. So all that pipeline is usually no code or no manual intervention for you. We already have integrations with different providers, so you can just click once and all your pipeline is automatically built and your reports are generated without any manual intervention from your side.
All right, that was great. See you in the next AMA session.